Hey y'all, before we jump into the rest of this video, I have a little announcement for you. Currently, right now, I have some more beanies available on my website. We have this design, which is a ghosty with heart eyes and a couple of sparkles. And then we also have this design, which is a skull with heart eyes and sparkles. I have 3 different colors going. Red, this pink, and then a purple, actually. This purple. This one got messed up, so I'm keeping it. But yeah. New beanies available literally right now on my website. They're live right now. I currently have 11, so not a whole lot, but I will be making more, I promise, because I love this design, these 2 designs so much. So anyway, live right now on my website, link down in the description. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Artsy Studio. First update, actually let me go get it. I don't know why I wasn't prepared. So, Valentine's Day, I wanted to have a new hat design. And for some reason I drew up 2 hat designs. So this is one of the designs. Look how so freaking adorable this is. It's a little ghosty with heart eyes and a couple of sparkles because you know I had to. And I'm gonna do each design, well, I kind of messed up on some stuff. But my initial idea was I wanted to do each design in 3 colors. And I was gonna have 2 of each color. So I have the red that I just showed you that for some reason actually has 3 ghosts. I'm not mad about that. And then I have this like deep purple. Shut up. Look how cute. Look how cute that is. Oh my god. And then I have an adorable like baby pink one. So 3 different colors. And then the other design that I have is this one. And it's my skull, the skull that I draw for like everything. But I kind of redid it and I gave him a little bit of a smirk. Before it was just kind of like almost downward. So I moved his teeth to kind of like go up to be a little bit more of a smirk. And then obviously he has heart eyes and then some sparkles. And then this is the baby pink color. So this design is going to also be in all the same 3 colors. But look how cute that is! Look how cute that is! And then here's an example of one of the hats completely done. I still have to kind of like clean it up because what I had to start doing with these is using like a chalk pencil or whatever and do lines. Like I had to pin the patch on like 3 or 4 different ways, like up, down, across, and then diagonal. And then I drew these like lines with like a chalk kind of pencil thing because I know I can like kind of wipe that off, and I would do that down, up, across, and on the other side to make sure that it would stay straight, because the first one I sewed on turned out like this and no one's mad at it. Also the red and black, no, yeah, you know, no one's mad at this, but it's not straight, it's definitely slanted. I'm still gonna list this one. I think I'm just gonna do like a couple dollars cheaper than all the rest. So one is gonna be slightly cheaper because it's crooked, a little slanted, but like who cares, right? I bet somebody's gonna snag this. I feel like somebody's gonna snag this for sure. I still think it's so adorable. I think the numbers for this were like, I was supposed to have 13, but then I did the crooked one, which I'm still gonna list, so now we're still at 13, but I did one, and when I was cutting the stabilizer stuff off on the back, like the excess stabilizer stuff, I accidentally cut a hole in the hat. So I guess that one's mine, because I don't want to sell a hat with a hole in it. So now we're down to 12. So I'm going to try to get those done as quick as possible because I want to get them up as quick as possible. But what I also wanted to do today, which actually I don't even know if you know, if I've shown you, but I finished the frame. It's completely done. I'm so excited. I also made some changes to a couple of the designs. You might see them back there. Yeah, I put heart eyes on the skull and then the red spot on like the black, what are they called? Black Widow spider. I was like, why? It's red already, you know what I mean? Why not make it a heart? And then I also did a few squares because we got to continue making some squares in some empty space. so that eventually I can make a rug with it or something. All right, I'm gonna set you up there, and we're gonna cut these rugs down. All the hats are done. This was the very last hat. Camera, come on, look at it. Oh my god, the red is so cool. And these are all of the hats done and packaged up. I'm definitely going to do more with these two styles. I think I'm honestly going to take pictures of these hats now. I want to get them up like now. Oh my god, look at it with the strawberry pillow. Shut up, strawberry pillow. It's so cute. But before we do that, actually, I want to do like just a little inventory. So we've got two pink down here, one red, the crooked red one, one purple, and now moving on to the ghosts. So one red, one purple, one pink, two pink, three red, and two purple. All right, let's take one picture for each color and style. This purple color, ridiculous. Oh, by the way, the one I'm wearing, if you're gonna be curious, like, it's the one I cut. But look at this purple. Look at this purple. It's so good. It's so good. I feel like this one's slightly crooked as well. The skulls were like difficult to do, I feel like. The red, like, more crooked one doesn't even matter that it's crooked. Look how cool. I don't know. So we have 11 hats, not 12, because your leg, it came off again. I've had this tripod since like the beginning of Artsymadwoman, so now its legs are coming out when I pick it up. It's fine. It still works. Yeah, I have 11 hats, and I think what I'm gonna try to do is, actually I'm not gonna say it quite yet. I'm gonna make sure that I can get it done. Whoa! I'm gonna take a little bit of time, and it's not gonna be any time for you. You're not even gonna notice. But I am going to get these like ready on my website, and then I'll be back to you to work on backing this butterfly rug because I'm too excited to work on this. Like I'm too excited. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I added all of the hats to my website, and you guys already know that because I just filmed a little like announcement clip that's gonna go at the beginning of this video, which you already saw, so we don't really need to talk about it. Hopefully some of y'all have snagged a hat. You know what's completely wild? I just don't even know, like, when did this happen? Was it always happening? Did it just, what happened? But shipping is absolutely wild. I put in, so I'm using Pirate Ship per y'all's suggestion, which is super great. I don't have a label printer yet, but I do use it for like its calculated like rates and stuff. And to ship one of these hats in just like a, you know, an envelope, a like thin envelope, whatever, 3 ounces, maybe 4, like added packing stuff and whatever, 3 to 4 ounces. Okay, these packages, these envelope things, are like, they're like 10 inches by 12 inches. $20 internationally. And I checked, like, you know, the UK, Ireland, Australia, like a few places I've already shipped to, and it's like all around $20. $20. So if you saw that, if you live internationally and you saw that, please know that I wish not. I wish that wasn't the case. I'm really sorry about it. I think it's wild. It's insane. So I am sorry about it, but it is the way that it is, I guess. But isn't that crazy? And even with pirate ships, like, so pirate ship will help you get like discounted shipping rates. It's still like $1 cheaper, basically. So it's freaking wild and crazy. Anyway, moving on. So we're going to back the butterfly so that we can start carving it. Hee hee, I'm so excited. I'm tired of jackets. I'm so tired of layers. Do 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 do. Do, do, do. Oh, yeah. Alright, gluing this is going to be a process, so I think I'm just going to blast off. Alright, butterfly is completely backed, and I have some news. I have a little bit of an update. This is nothing. I think this is the last time I'm gonna back my rugs this way. Well, this is the last time I'm gonna do this like black outline, I think. The reason I started doing this was because I wanted a way to like glue my tag down. I thought it was, you know, kind of perfect like this. I can like kind of tuck it under that black like trim, and I also thought it gave it kind of like a more finished look. But if I'm being completely honest, when I do weird shapes like this butterfly and I have to go around really tight corners, I have to like kind of cut it and then do a little piece and cut it and then keep going, and I just, it kind of, I don't know, I don't like doing that. And then when I go around like, you know, tighter corners where I don't have to cut it, it's still a little ripply and like, it looks fine. And I do still think it kind of gives it like, I don't know, it sort of looks finished, but it also doesn't look that unfinished without it. And I think I can just glue these on. Like people, most tufters I see just glue their tags on like right in the middle nicely. And I think I might do that as well. I'm going to start doing that. So anyway, this butterfly rug is the last rug that's going to be lined like this. Thank goodness, because it takes me so long. Anyway, with that, butterfly rug is completely backed. Look how beautiful. I'm so excited to start carving it. But I do think I'm going to end this video here, and we'll save carving the butterfly for next time. So don't worry, I'm not going to do it without you. I feel like the butterfly is really special. They're all $25. And then there are two that are $23 because I sewed the patch on kind of crooked. So they still look cute, okay? The link for my website is always down in the description of every single one of my videos, where the cake piece, the cake rug is still existing for sale, and the pinky, yellow, cloudy, sunsetty, sparkly piece is also still for sale, so link for the website is down in the description. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like. It really helps out my channel, and subscribe. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. I love y'all to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!